Welcome to Super Simple DIY. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a day bird feeder using a animal crackers container. You'll have to make sure you put some feed on the windowsill as well. And it'll take some time, but they'll finally come in. When you're ready to get started on your project, you can use cardboard or corrugated plastic as well. Just make sure you overlap each piece to make sure that it covers the span of the window, and also tall enough to ensure that the container will fit. Once you have the correct width of the material needed for your window width, you can then trace out the top of the container to cut out your circular hole where it will fit into. If you cut inside the circle line you just created, it'll give it a nice tight fit. You are now ready to remove one of the labels. I recommend using hot water and something to scrape it off with without actually scratching the container. Patience and a little elbow grease goes a long way here. Once you're done removing the label, you can use soap and water to clean the container throughout, and then use some Windex to make it nice and clear. I made this to be very easy to remove and then also store. That way I could remove it daily. This isn't something I would recommend leaving on the window overnight. Removal is just as easy as lifting the window up, twisting each one of the flaps, and then adding the lid for storage. I hope you guys will enjoy making your own while also upcycling a container that would otherwise be thrown away or recycled. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe and hit like, or even share if you know of someone else that would like to do something very similar to this.